What is personas? Personas are fictional characters which are based on knowledge of real users in order to represent the different user types that might use your service, product, site, or brand in a similar way. Creating persona will help you identify user needs, experience, user behavior, and user goals. Persona help us to understand different needs and expectation of every persona. Let's understand with an example. Travel app example. I want to make a travel app. So I define four persona of travel app who will use my product. My first persona is bachelor. His name is Sachin and I define his age 18 to 25. Sachin focuses price and location and usually he stays in the hostel. So his main focus is price. Sachin needs cheap rooms. That's why he mostly stays at hostel, which is the mainly on sharing basis. So this is Sachin needs. So this is our first persona. My second persona is a couple. His name is Arun and Kavita and I define his age size is 25 to 35. Arun focuses balance quality and price and usually they stay in the hotel, guest houses and B&B. My third persona is a family. His name is Ramesh and I define his age is 30 to 45. Ramesh with his wife and children and his focus is on the facility and quality. He needs expensive room where he can get quality and facility. Usually he stays in the hotel or apartment. And my fourth persona is Anjali. Anjali is a business person and I define his age 30 to 45. Anjali focuses price and location and usually she stays in the hotel. As you see, we have created four different persona of travel app. Each persona has different need and different goal. In the same way, when you are designing a product, you can create a different persona related to your product in which each user has its different needs, different motivations and different goals. When you design a product, you can create your own user persona which will use your product. Persona clarify who is in your target audience, like who is my ideal customer, what is the behavior of users, what are the user needs and goals, what issues and pain points do they currently face. Persona detailed example. So this is a persona example. We have persona photo, her age size, her geographical location, little intro about her, which type of personality she is, which type of brand she is using, her goals, her frustrations, her motivations, which type of technology she is using. When we know all the things of our user, then only we will be able to design a right product for a right audience. Why persona is important? Persona help identify where your best customers spend time on the internet so you can be there too. Persona help you create the right content. Content to attract your ideal visitors, convert into leads and close them into a customers. Personas help us implement the right features to the right people in the right way. If you design for everyone, you make no individual happy. You can design for specific type of users as we saw in some previous examples in which we designed for bachelor, for a couple, family and for business person. How can we build better software? By better understanding of our users. First you have to do user interview. Keep in mind while doing user interview, you should know more about your user. What are their needs? What are their frustrations, pain points? What are their motivations or goals to use any product or services? And second, after user interview, you can make persona like this, where you can put your persona pictures, what is age size, her geographical location, little intro about her, which type of personality she is, which type of brand she is using, her goals, her frustrations, her motivations, which type of technology she is using.